Do you ever feel like the piano pieces you want to play are above your skill level? Do you ever struggle when sight reading new songs and wish you had a better understanding of notes behind the music to help you master new pieces faster? And would you consider yourself a self-taught piano player and wish you had a step-by-step structured approach to improve your playing without spending years to train as a classical pianist? Hi, my name is Jazer and welcome to my new online course, Keys to Mastery. Let me tell you a few things about the course, why I made it, and why I think it's the best way for you to master the piano and vastly expand your musical repertoire in the process. This course distills down everything I've learned in the past 20 years of playing piano, plus 15 years of teaching students one-to-one. It gives you a clear and efficient roadmap of practice routines, sight reading, music theory lessons, and key classical pieces to help you master what I think is the 3 essential skills of piano playing: sight reading, music theory, and technique. In this course, you'll go through the relevant steps of becoming a classically trained pianist without wasting years at college or university, with me as your seasoned piano teacher holding your hand at every step of the way. The reason I created this course is because I was seeing way too many self-taught pianists getting stuck and wasting time not making any progress. I see it all the time in comment section. People ask me things like, what piece should I be playing that's not too far above my level? Or how do I know when a piece is done and when to move on to the next piece? They're constantly questioning themselves if they're practicing enough, or wondering if they should be learning more music theory, and just generally not knowing how to get better at piano in the most practical and efficient way. Which is why I created the Keys to Mastery, specifically designed to help the self-taught piano player who wants to master the piano and build your musical repertoire in the process. Unlike any other piano training I found online, this course isn't just some data dump of boring practice routines or complicated music theory lessons. Instead, every step of the way will be covering essential skills and playing through what I think are key and popular classical piano pieces, such as we're gonna distill it all down into hand coordination and dexterity exercises, sight reading shortcuts, and music theory principles that are easy and enjoyable to play. By the end of this course, don't be surprised if you have 8 to 10 new classical pieces in your hands that you can effortlessly play at any time, with an improved confidence, technique, and understanding of music to basically master any piece you play. Imagine how much more fun playing the piano will be when you're quickly unlocking new levels of playing and mastering more and more challenging pieces each week. Imagine coming home after a long day of work or running errands and being able to just sit down at the piano, relax in solitude, and play your absolute favorite songs and pieces. And imagine building an impressive musical repertoire with dozens of popular pieces. So next time someone asks, can you play some Mozart? Can you play some Chopin? Can you play some Bach? Can you play River Flows in You? The answer is always, of course. That's exactly why I created the Keys to Mastery, and I can't wait to help you reach your piano playing goals. I'm also including 3 bonuses inside the course as well. Number 1, the Scales and Arpeggios Masterclass. In this comprehensive masterclass, you'll learn how to confidently play every major, minor, and chromatic scale alongside their corresponding arpeggios in root position and all inversions. Covering all 12 keys, this resource is designed to strengthen your technique, enhance your musical thinking, and prepare you to tackle any piece in any key with ease. Number 2, the Essential Piano Roadmap. If you've ever asked yourself, what piece should I play next? Then you need my Essential Piano Roadmap. This roadmap includes a list of all the classical pieces that we'll be covering in this course, ranked from beginner all the way to advanced. It gives you a quick scan guide of pieces to play, with links to sheet music and video performances as well. With this roadmap, you'll always have multiple options for songs to play to build your confidence and your playing skill. Number 3, monthly group coaching calls. And finally, when you join Keys to Mastery today, you'll gain access to the monthly live group coaching calls. Here's your chance to ask me anything as you go through the course materials. Each month for the next 3 months, you'll have the opportunity to join a live group coaching call with me and other fellow piano players. And don't worry if you can't make one of these calls, you'll be able to add your questions in the members area, and I'll make sure to record everything and share this with you. And on top of that, because I believe in this course so much, I'm also including a no questions asked 30-day money back favorite piece guarantee. This gives you a full month to try the course, apply everything to your learning, and if you don't see an immediate impact on your playing, if you don't have a newfound confidence and excitement to jump into more challenging songs and pieces, if you haven't leveled up in your playing to the point where you're able to proficiently play at least one piece you've always wanted to play in the next 30 days, just shoot my team a message and I'll send you a 100% full refund. No questions asked, no hoops to jump through. I just ask that you make an honest attempt at applying what you learn in this course, and I will literally guarantee you level up your playing and expand your musical repertoire with heaps of fun, enjoyable, challenging, classical pieces in the process. I can't tell you how excited I am about this course, and I can't wait to see you inside. As long as you're watching this video, it means the course is still open for enrollment, so get on it now while you can. Click the link in the description to see what's all included inside, and make sure to sign up now because the enrollment is closing on Friday at midnight Eastern Time. Thanks so much and have a great day.